To accept money via Zelle through PNC Bank, start by ensuring you have a PNC Bank account and the PNC mobile banking app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, enroll in PNC Online Banking and Mobile Banking by visiting the PNC Bank website or by using the mobile app. You will need to provide your account information and create a username and password. Once enrolled, open the PNC mobile banking app and navigate to the Send Money with Zelle section. Here, you will need to agree to the Zelle terms of service and add your email address or mobile phone number to receive payments. To receive money, the sender will need to know your email address or mobile phone number that is enrolled with Zelle. When someone sends you money using Zelle, you will receive a notification via email or text message. Depending on the contact information you provided, the money will be deposited directly into your PNC Bank account, usually within minutes. You can then use the funds as you would with any other deposit. It is essential to note that to use Zelle, the sender must also have access to Zelle through their bank or credit union. To minimize the risk of fraud, only accept payments from trusted sources, and never provide your account information to unknown individuals. Additionally, be aware of any transaction limits that may apply to your account. By following these steps, you can easily accept money via Zelle through PNC Bank. Remember to always review your account activity regularly to ensure all transactions are legitimate and authorized.